Beautiful.
Is that a light bulb?
Yeah.
Show me the light bulb.
Can you see it okay?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Perfect. Right here.
Whoa. Okay. Hold those edges down so we can see it. Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Excellent.
So what kind of batteries do you have to use for this?
See, I prefer AA because if you use AAA, you need more. So AA is good for this. We've got them going all the way around the watermelon.
Okay.
Now, obviously, this isn't going to conduct just yet because we have nothing touching the ends of these batteries yet.
Right.
We're going to add that next.
How many batteries is this altogether?
So it all will depend on however many you have.
Right.
I've got, a light bulb will light with just one battery, but it's going to be very dim. We wanted ours to be bright.
Okay.
So there.
Great.
So here we go.
Looks good.
So look at that.
So we're going to light this light bulb using just these things you see here. The salt, the Coke, the Mentos, this aluminum foil, these batteries in this watermelon are going to light this light bulb up. This is an incredible science experiment.
Mm-hmm.
And it happens pretty quickly after you drop the Mentos in.
Yes. So the Coca-Cola is the cool agent of change in this. So we get this going
great.
all the way around, just like so.
Mm-hmm.
Really excited to do this. Perfect. All right, now we are all connected here.
Okay.
I'm going to rotate this around.
Looks great.
So we just have to make sure this is all tight.
Sure, this is tight in between each one.
It's actually really oddly satisfying to squeeze in between each of these. See that?
Yep.
Just like that, like that. Like
So
that.
so this connects all of the batteries. These are AA batteries that we've got surrounding the whole watermelon. We've got a light bulb in the top with some aluminum foil. And we're going to hook all of these things up here.
Ooh, boy. Ooh. Got to be more fragile there. That could have been really bad.
Whoa, careful,
I don't want this thing to go off just yet. Okay, there it goes.
A little bit further to your right.
Yeah, excellent.
There we go.
There it is.
Perfect. Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Can't lose that circuit there.
So this light bulb is about to go off. We're just going to pop it into... Okay, so I see. Now the aluminum foil kind of forms a tail over there that goes into the Coke. Okay, I see.
All right. Here we go. Big moment. We don't want to lose a lot of the fizz here.
Okay.
And we're not going to pour out the Coke into anything else. In fact, we want to be very delicate with it because the carbonation here is going to be our friend, okay? So we're going to get this guy in like this. Perfect. Okay. Fold that down so we have room. Excellent. That should be nice in there. I want to get this straight.
Okay.
Like this. All right. Excellent. Everything is set. You ready for this?
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay.
Let's see the light bulb light.
The last thing we're going to add, which is a really good conductor. So if you're just tuning in, we've got AA batteries all going with their negative end. The negative end of the batteries is touching the watermelon insides, okay? Obviously, there's a lot of moisture inside that watermelon, and that is what electricity is able to flow through. So you wouldn't be able to do this with a cantaloupe. Maybe a grapefruit, but really for the size of this, watermelon is what you want to do. And then we've got a light bulb in the top. And our light bulb, I'm going to show you so I can just get a little bit of salt in here to help our conduction of energy. I've got it in some, oh cool, excellent. Here, let's get just a little bit of that juice to soak up right there. Yeah, that's perfect. And we get a little bit of salt in there, which, as we know, is a great conductor.
Great.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Look at that.
Let's see this light bulb light.
So now, we've just got our light bulb here in foil.
Great.
And that fits perfectly.
All right, here we go.
Right in there.
Now the light bulb will light.
Okay. There. And now we're going to see this light bulb light using, first, the electricity that's going to travel from the batteries through the watermelon, and also using this Coca-Cola here. Here we go.
So,
all right, big moment.
Okay.
So, in order to do this, we are using the reaction of Mentos. I'm going to eat that one. They're too good. Okay. So we all know that when we put a Coke in Mentos in Coca-Cola, it creates a carbonation reaction, a chemical reaction here.
Yep.
With the foil mixed with all of the conducting electricity going through the moisture of the watermelon, that is going to light our light bulb right now, okay?
All right, let's see it. Yeah, I think we're ready to go ahead and see. So that you're gonna put just one of the Mentos into that Coca-Cola there, which is attached to our watermelon by this strand of aluminum foil attached to all of the AA batteries inside this watermelon, and that's going to make this light bulb light up. As soon as you pop that Mentos in there, we should be looking for that light bulb to turn on because of the electricity that's coming from the reaction in the Coke and the batteries.
Just gotta make sure the foil is touching.
Okay.
So the positive end of all of these batteries is touching the foil. Just double checking to make sure it is touching.
Okay.
On all of those, it looks like it is.
Great. Let's see it.
Not on that one though. Let's squeeze that there. Yeah, that would have broke our circuit. Perfect. All right, we're set. Okay, can you see the Coca-Cola? Okay.
Yes. Yep, we can definitely see the Coke,
and you can see the light bulb, okay?
Yep, we see the light bulb perfectly. We're right
can you
in
see the Mentos?
Yep, I can see. Hold the Mentos in your hand. Yeah, this is good. Okay, yeah, we see the Mentos. So you're going to just take one, and you're putting it in that Coke bottle right there.
This is a very cool science experiment you can do. You give it a shot. It's fun. You know, I've got a background in magic, but science really does fascinate me, so we're going to try this right now.
Hi, Lillian.
And I don't know how quickly did this take us to set it up. That's how easy it is. It's really
super fast.
Fast, yeah. So here we go. I'm going to take out a couple of these Mentos, and we're going to drop them in. The more Mentos you drop in, the more the brighter that the light bulb will get. Okay, here we go. All right. What I have to do is I have to drop these in, and I have to do it really quick. I don't want any of my...
Is there enough salt?
I think the salt is good.
Okay.
It's just now right here, okay?
So he's got Mentos. That's what we're about to put into the Coke. We've got AA batteries surrounding the watermelon.
Yes.
You're going to pop those, just the one, or all three of those Mentos into the Coke, and it's going to light up the light bulb. Yeah. Right, and this happens right away, or it takes a couple seconds, or
pretty instantly.
Pretty instantly. So as soon as it goes in there, obviously the Coke is going to have a big reaction to the Mentos.
Right. So this is going to make a mess because this Mentos is going to drop in, and this Coke is going to explode. It'll go everywhere. It's a small Coke, and it's only this one, so it's not going to hit the ceiling or anything. If I put all three of them in, gosh, I guess it might. Okay. But really, we're watching for the light bulb to light. Okay?
Right. Okay.
So
let's see the light bulb
I'll throw
light.
all three of them in. Also, if you're going to do this at home, we use a 1-inch drill bit for our light bulb. So this guy went right into the top. And we do cover it with foil just because we don't want any liquid to seep in to the light bulb. That would be not as good. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, right here. So if you're just tuning in right now, I'm going to drop this in, and we're going to see that light bulb light. Well, yeah, the salt is, I forgot to talk about the salt. Underneath that light bulb, touching the foil is a big pile of salt on watermelon, which is also a tasty snack, if you didn't know that. All right, here you go. You ready? I'm going to count to 3, and then we're going to do it, okay? Are there new people coming in, new viewers?
Yep.
Just so the new viewers know, these are AA batteries drilled into the holes, all right? We got, how many did we get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 of them. Okay, so we got 16 batteries. So this guy's going to be bright. This guy's going to be very, very bright, okay? And then when you do this with a Coca-Cola, Diet Coke also works, but we've found Coca-Cola is a better conductor with AA batteries. And you can use any kind of AA batteries. You can also use AAA, but the drill bit we had to drill into our watermelon fit AA batteries a lot better. So that was what we ended up going with.
These are the AA batteries. And if you're just joining us, we're about to light this light bulb in a very unconventional way using AA batteries, aluminum foil, Coke, and Mentos.
Look, I don't want to waste any more time. I just want to do it, okay?
Yep. I just want to put these things just for people who are just joining us so they're not confused when they come in, because this is a crazy setup.
Oh, it's a crazy setup. But here's the thing. People have seen these before in science class with potatoes, you know? Like,
yes, exactly.
Everyone has lit a light bulb with a potato.
It's a similar situation, only using the Coke and Mentos.
Okay. All right. Here we go. No more wasting time. We're just going to make it happen. Ready? Here, I'm gonna get them ready. Maybe I'll drop them in like this. Hang on. I'll drop them in like this.
Great. Yeah. So if you drop, okay. So 2 at a time. 2, all 3. Wow, all 3. Okay.
I can probably get more if I just drop them from the tube, right?
Yep. I think probably dropping it from the tube is the best way.
Okay.
Right, let's go ahead and do it. We're going to drop the mince in. That should almost instantly light that light bulb up.
So yeah, the way it'll happen is once you start seeing foam come out, when the foam is touching that foil, because the foil is touching each of the batteries all the way around this thing. Doesn't it look? It looks like Saturn. It's very, very cool.
Yeah, it does.
It's
It looks
gonna light
cool.
this thing up. Okay, here we go.
All right, great.
This should be good. All right, how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you
Oh my gosh!
Can
this
you
is gonna be huge. This
can
is
you
gonna be huge.
overdo this, or is this something you can?
If we overdo it, this will shatter.
Oh,
Okay.
all right. So we have to
So-
make sure we don't put too many mints in.
Well,
in
you'll
there.
be okay. I don't have my goggles on, but it should be fine.
Okay.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Here we go. I'm gonna do this right here.
Yep,
And
let's
then we
do
are
it.
good to go.
Yes.
Can everyone? Is everything centered?
Yeah, everything
We're
is
just going
centered.
right now.
Yeah. I think we should go for it, and it's going to make a mess. Is anything over there that we don't want to get wet, like the bag or that?
we just
Yeah.
gotta- just
Just
get rid
move
of
the
it.
stuff off the counter over there because it's going to be sticky
here
and
we go.
messy. Okay, here we go. Let's do this.
Oh gosh, we've got paper
Yep,
towels.
I have the
ready to
paper
go.
towels ready to go. Okay. Yep.
Here we go.
Nothing electronic on the table. Okay, great. All right, everyone, we are going to light this light bulb using AA batteries, aluminum foil, Coke, Mentos, salt, and we're going to conduct that electricity through this watermelon into the light bulb. We're doing it right now. Here we go.
That should be good.
Yep.
Here we go. On the count of 3.
Okay.
1.
1.
1.
2.
I just had to get the Mentos ready. 1,
Okay.
2. Oh boy, I'm nervous.
Yeah, go ahead and do it.
I'm gonna do it. 3.
Oh.
There it goes.
Oh, the light's lit! It lit!
Look at that!
It lit! Look at this!
It's
Look at
actually
it!
lit! That's
Wow!
crazy. I turn off the lights. Can
I
you
turned
see
off the
that?
lights. You can totally see it.
It's still
going, but as soon as that
That is
reaction
amazing.
dies down, the light's gonna go off.
Yeah,
The light's gonna
that's
go
really
off.
crazy. That's
There
really
we go.
crazy.
Wow, that was it.
Okay, it went out.
That was
it went
it.
out. The foil's not touching anymore.
Yeah, that was
That's
amazing.
cool. Here, I'll turn the lights back on. Wow.